This is a 26 question from Digital SAT Test 3 Module 1. It's a bulleted question, so I'm just going to read after the student wants to. So, present the significance, which means importance, of the Hart-Celler Act to an audience unfamiliar with the history of U.S. immigration. So, what the heck is the Hart-Celler Act? Answer choice A, B, and C basically tell you what it ended. Answer choice D tells you what it is, its significance, its importance. In 1965, Hart-Celler Act abolished the national origins quota system, which favored immigrants from Northern Europe. To see the full-length video, go to IB Masters Learning Center, click the playlist, and then once you find that playlist, go down, find Test 3 Module 1, and I tell you all about bulleted questions. Make sure you click subscribe and check out this other bulleted question. Have a great day.